Taihe is specialized in metal stamping, laser cutting, and CNC machining industries. Integrates research, development, production, and after-sales service together. After being officially audited, got ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certifications, and IATF 16949. Obtained patents. Approved as a high-technology enterprise, government-supported enterprise, and credit enterprise. Our technical team is divided to 3 groups. One is R&D team, who is responsible for analyzing the craft completely and making technical solutions correctly. The second is quoting team, which optimizes cost based on reliable quality. Third is the mold team, which designs and manufactures mold or test JIG. With joint efforts, ensure every new project is developed well. To offer reliable quality, all of our staff are involved in quality control. For example, before production, hold meeting to publish technical and quality requirements in details. Set up standard operating procedure accordingly. In production, operators keep on inspecting by JIG, IPQC, keep testing products every 30 minutes. Production and quality manager do sampling check. Before packing, 100% full inspection for the appearance. Taihe established a good reputation with 300 customers from 60 countries. Our company has many years of overseas sales experience and has established complete project management system. Do you need any metal projects? Welcome to send us your inquiry. We will bring you excellent results.
Hello, this is Lisa. I have worked in Taihe for many years. Our engineering team has the ability to convert your design to be real project fast. If you have any mental parts, welcome your inquiry.